Hey guys, Scott here. Today I want to do a full review of this Joby GorillaPod 3K kit, and I'm also going to go through a few tips with you. I've been using this thing for about 3 years now, and as you can tell, it is still in great condition, and I'm going to give you a few ideas of how you can use it as well. But the things that I really like about this, one is obviously the tripod legs, right? These are bendable and movable. So let's say you have a tree limb, even though I'm not outside, I can take it here and wrap two around this way and one in the middle, and it's gonna stay right there on a tree branch, and just so many different ways that you can use this. Or I will lower it all the way down and put it right on the desk and use it as well. Now from here, one thing that I like is this piece right here will swivel, and this is important. When you loosen this, you have this ball and it'll go completely down to 90 degrees. So that way you can actually have it sitting completely sideways if you want to use a regular camera for either horizontal or vertical videos. Now, it will come with this piece right here, and what happens is this will basically go and clip right in there, and it clicks in so you know that it's in there good. And also I really like the fact that it has a level, so that I know regardless of how this tripod is sitting that my shot is going to be level. Now from here, this will fit right into the bottom of a camera. I use it quite often here on my Canon camera, and basically you can just screw it right in with either a dime. I usually have a dime around that I just put it right in, and it screws right into the bottom. Now, I definitely recommend, if you're going to be using a phone on a regular basis, that you buy an extra one of these, and this one is permanently mounted here. So that way, once again, if I want to use this, I can use it for horizontal videos with my phone or vertical videos, and I use it for both. I use it for vertical, horizontal with my phone, and then of course with my camera. And after 3 years of use, this thing is still in excellent condition. I've literally had 0 issues with this, and I would say that I use this each and every week. And as you can see, between TikTok, YouTube, Amazon, I make a lot of videos, and this is something that I can't do without. I have regular tripods where my phone is sitting now, but this is a must-have for creating videos, and it's definitely a tripod that I recommend.